What's up, YouTube? It's We the People here. I was just giving y'all a little update about Comet ISON, ISON, however you pronounce it. Alright, right here is Comet ISON compared to the Sun. And this right here is Earth. That just goes to show you how big it is. I will leave this link in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Now, what I'm about to show you is an up close picture of Comet ISON. This is Comet ISON off of Live Leak. I'll leave you this link in the description also. But it looks kind of weird to me. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description on that. So now this right here is basically the same picture. It's just showing different contrasts and stuff. This is the core. This is the core of the comet. That's crazy. Look at the core of it. Now, what I'm about to show you is it's a computer model showing the trajectory of Comet ISON. So I'll pop that in right now. Okay. This is the path that Comet ISON is taking. Let's see. Right here's Earth. Going between the Earth and the Moon. Watch it. Right between the Earth and the Moon. Again, I will leave this link in the description also. And look at the path it takes. It's coming in, shooting right back around. That's crazy. And again, as usual, I will leave this link in the description box below. Now this is another few images of Comet ISON. Smooth Sophia images of Comet ISON. SOFIA. Don't ask, I don't know. And also I will leave the link to this in the description box. It's just talking about it. Images of Comet ISON were obtained by Sophia's forecast camera at wavelengths of 11.1, 19.7, and 31.5 microns. Measurements at 31.5 microns, crucial for determining the temperature. This right here is, it's just showing the temperature of ison. And once again, I will leave this link in the description. Okay, what I'm about to show you is a simulation of a 1 kilometer comet impact. This is nothing compared to the size of ison. So here we go, let's play this rendering. Okay, now what you're about to see is a large impact simulation that somebody's made. I'll leave this link in the description box too. Here we go. That would be crazy. I think that's a 500 kilometer asteroid. Still smaller than ison. Could you imagine that? Could you imagine seeing that coming towards us? Wow. That's about to hit in the Pacific Ocean. It's going through the... That's crazy. It said it peels the crust off the Earth. The shock wave travels at hypersonic speeds. If you don't know what hypersonic is, look it up. Look at that. Debris blasted into low Earth orbit, which in turn will block out the sun and cause a meteor shower, of course, as you're seeing now. I just think it's amazing. There's molten rock, lava. But yeah, I think they said it was a 500 kilometer size comet, weight of comet. That's nothing compared to ison. Alright, this is from Science at NASA, and I would just want you to listen to this.
More than 112,000 pounds of dust were spewing from the comet's nucleus every minute. It turns out some of that dust might end up on Earth. Veteran meteor researcher Paul Weigert of the University of Western Ontario has been using a computer to model the trajectory of dust ejected by Comet ISON, and his findings suggest that an unusual meteor shower could be in the offing. For several days around January 12, 2014, Earth will pass through a stream of fine-grained debris from Comet ISON, says Weigert. The resulting shower could have some interesting properties. For one thing, it could dust the surface of the Earth. According to Weigert's computer models, the debris stream is populated with extremely tiny grains of dust, no more than a few microns wide. They will be hitting at a speed of 56 kilometers a second. Because the particles are so small, they will be rapidly slowed to a stop in Earth's upper atmosphere. Instead of burning up in a flash of light, they will drift gently down to the Earth below, he says. Don't expect to notice, though. The invisible rain of comet dust, if it occurs, would be very slow. It can take months or even years for fine dust to settle out of the high atmosphere. Another unusual manifestation of the shower could be noctilucent clouds. Noctilucent clouds are electric blue clouds that float high above Earth's poles. Recent data from NASA's AIM spacecraft suggests that they are seeded by space dust. Tiny meteoroids act as nucleating points where water molecules gather. The resulting ice crystals assemble into clouds at the edge of space itself. This is still speculative, but Comet ISON could provide the seeds for a noctilucent display. Electric blue ripples over Earth's polar regions might be the only visible sign that a shower is taking place.
Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update on this. Watch it, comment, like it, subscribe, do what you do. We the people, out.